Hello and welcome to Wise Tech Bites. In today's video, we'll dive into the latest and hottest news in the world of AI. From breakthrough research to exciting new tools, here's what you need to know this week. Our first story is about OpenAI's latest update to GPT-4, which promises even more accurate responses and creative capabilities. The new features include better understanding of context, improved language comprehension, and the ability to generate more human-like text. This is great news for developers and content creators looking to enhance their AI-driven applications. Stay tuned to see how this upgrade will shape the future of AI. Next up, Google has announced new AI-powered features to improve its search engine capabilities. These updates use machine learning to better understand the intent behind complex queries, delivering more relevant and personalized search results. This could revolutionize how we search the web and find information, making the experience faster and more intuitive. What do you think about AI transforming search engines? Moving on, the European Parliament has taken a big step forward with new legislation aimed at regulating AI use. The law focuses on transparency, accountability, and ethical considerations for AI development. It's a significant move towards responsible AI usage, ensuring that AI technology is safe and trustworthy for everyone. We'll keep you updated as this legislation continues to evolve. In our final story, several AI startups are gaining attention for their innovative solutions. Companies like Cohere, Anthropic, and Hugging Face are pushing boundaries with new AI models and tools designed to make AI more accessible and powerful for businesses. If you're interested in emerging AI technologies, these startups are worth keeping an eye on. That's it for this week's AI News Roundup. Which story caught your attention the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next tech update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.